Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the Freelace and its case have battery. Plug in briefly if needed. Once charged, turn Bluetooth on in your phone or laptop and keep the device unlocked. Open the magnetic case and hold it near your device to trigger the Huawei pairing prompt. If nothing appears, press and hold the multifunction button on the cable for 2-3 seconds to force pairing. Make sure you're within 1 meter for a reliable initial connection before proceeding to settings and audio checks. You should now accept the Freelace device in your Bluetooth list. Tap to pair and confirm any code quickly. Once connected, open Huawei AI Life or your phone's audio settings to optimize equalizer, microphone mode, and in-call noise reduction. This improves clarity. If your phone supports aptX or LDAC, choose the higher quality codec for better music fidelity. Make sure media volume is up and test playback. Adjust left/right balance if needed. Keep the cable comfortably behind your neck for stable sensor behavior. You're ready to use Freelace for calls, music, and voice assistant. Magnetic earbuds pause playback when snapped and quick taps control track and calls. Once done, store them in the case to conserve battery and avoid kinks in the cable. For routine care, clean ear tips and connector contacts with a dry cloth and avoid liquids near ports. If pairing or audio drops occur, reset the earphones by holding the multifunction button for 8 to 10 seconds and repair. That fixes most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.